Tehillim 27. Yah is my light and my deliverance. Whom shall I fear? Yah is the refuge of my life. Whom shall I dread? When evildoers came against me to eat up my flesh, my adversaries and my enemies, they shall stumble and fall. Though an army encamps against me, my heart does not fear. Though battle comes up against me, even then I would be trusting. One matter I have asked of YAHUAH, this I seek, to dwell in the house of Yah all the days of my life, to see the pleasantness of Yah, and to inquire in his Hekal. For in the day of evil he hides me in his booth. In the covering of his tent he hides me. On a rock he raises me up, and now my head is lifted up above my enemies all around me. And I slaughter in his tent with slaughters of sounding. I sing, yes, I sing praises to YAHUAH. Hear, O Yah, when I cry with my voice, and show me favor and answer me. To my heart you have said, seek my face, your face, Yah, I seek. Do not hide your face from me. Do not turn your servant away in displeasure. You have been my help. Do not leave me nor forsake me. O Elohim, my deliverance. When my father and my mother have forsaken me, then Yah does take me in. Teach me your way, O Yah, and lead me in a smooth path because of my enemies. Do not give me over to the desire of my adversaries, for false witnesses have risen against me, and they breathe out cruelty to me. What if I had not believed to see the goodness of YAHUAH in the land of the living? Wait on YAHUAH, be strong, and let him strengthen your heart. Wait, I say, on YAHUAH.